Hi everyone, Stephen Daniel Kakmak here from McConnell Bourne. I'm not sure if you've clicked on the link to the article just yet, but the article entitled The Property Bloodbath. Pretty drastic title, and I'm sure it's going to get a lot of clicks, but in a sense what they've done is they've taken some excerpts from one of the key economists who are predicting a possible 40 to 50% drop from peak to the bottom in the sale prices around Sydney.
Yeah,
now,
so
that's
look,
pretty drastic.
It seems a bit dramatic, and look, but there are basically some underlying points here that are really important to think about. Now, when they say that, as Steve mentioned, that is from the peak of the market to what they're predicting by the time this is well and truly done. Evidently, looking back now, the peak of the market was around June, July 2017, and we have since from that point come back about 12% on house prices thus far.
Yeah, so CoreLogic have said that there's been a 12.3% drop from the peak to the current market, which was January 2019. The way they're predicting the further drops over the next couple of years is they're looking at what's called the debt accelerator, which is basically the growth in mortgage. So they're saying that growth in mortgage has dropped from December 2017 in the 12-month period to the end of last year by about roughly 2%.
Yeah, so that means there's less mortgages going out, meaning that there's less properties coming on the market for sale.
Now, they're saying that that could drop down to as little as 2% in the coming years, which they're projecting that house prices based on that are going to continue falling until about June 2020.
Yeah, and you couple that with the fact that lending criteria has changed, people can't borrow as much as they used to, so it's kind of burning the candle at both ends in that regard. Look, some of it is speculation, and it is economists predicting based on trends and patterns. From what Steve and I have been seeing with the boots on the ground, look, we've definitely seen it come back in terms of values and end sale prices. However, buyer activity has still been healthy. Admittedly, we're getting about 60-70% of our buyers coming through our open homes now that are just in that research stage of just coming to the market, meaning they've probably got spurred on by what they've been seeing in the media, saying, you know what, now's probably a good time to get in.
Yeah.
What that tells us is they're probably about 6 to 12 weeks away from being what's known as an actual buyer, or I guess a ready-to-go buyer.
So a lot of these people were sitting on the sidelines last year in 2018, because no doubt everybody's noticed we saw a turbulent 2018, but there are people back out there and looking to buy. Now, we're not going to see the huge prices that we saw in 2017, but we're going to see quality buyers coming into the marketplace that actually want to buy a home for a fair and reasonable price. Now, as things are predicted to continue to go down over the next couple of years, it's important that if you were thinking about a move, to try and capitalise on this, or if you wanted to talk more about it, love to have a chat with you.
Thanks and all the best.